NEEWER gifted us their KM19 mini lapel microphones. Here is our honest thought. After using many microphones, we've really liked some and some not so much. Let's see how these compare. The KM19 system includes a receiver, 2 transmitters, 2 OTG adapters, and a charging case compatible with iPhone 17, 16, and 15, making it great for content creation. 3 levels of noise cancellation, which you can adjust in a single press. It also has a mute function for added control while recording. Each transmitter provides up to 6 hours of recording time, and a charging case extends the total runtime to 30 hours.
Do a sound test. Actually, we're going to do a range test. I'm going to start walking back in 10 feet, and we're going to see how good this thing is. 10 feet. 20 feet. And 30 feet. So having a real good microphone outdoors is, for us, is ideal. It's a necessity for anybody that does content creating outdoors, and they're going to need a little bit of distance between themselves and the receiver. Having a really good microphone it's a must, even with the Florida storms that are right above our heads. Great sound.
For the price point, we think the KM19 is a great option. Click the link in the description and comments below. Thanks for watching.